بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألف لام ميم.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Alif Lam Mim.
ذلك الكتاب لا ريب فيه هدى للمتقين.
This is the scripture whereof there is no doubt, a guidance unto those who ward off evil.
الذين يؤمنون بالغيب ويقيمون الصلاة ومما رزقناهم ينفقون.
Who believe in the unseen and establish worship, and spend of that we have bestowed upon them.
والذين يؤمنون بما أنزل إليك وما أنزل من قبلك وبالآخرة هم يوقنون.
And who believe in that which is revealed unto thee, Muhammad, and that which was revealed before thee, and are certain of the hereafter.
أولئك على هدى من ربهم وأولئك هم المفلحون.
These depend on guidance from their Lord. These are the successful.